Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you a few camera tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So first of all, we have to start from the photo mode and we can find a few useful options. The first one, we can take the photos while using these volume buttons. So take a look, you can just click on the volume up or volume down and you can take the photos. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to take the series of the photos. When you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can just pinch screen with your fingers, but also you can just click on the preset. After that, you will unlock additional presets with the 4 and also the 8x. But also you can click and hold and you will find this slider. When you click on the screen, you are able to adjust brightness level by moving the sun icon to the left or to the right side to increase or decrease the brightness level. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen 2 times. When you go for the right side, you can enable shutter delay between 2, 5 or 10 seconds. You are also able to change aspect ratio of your camera. When you select this option, you will get motion photos. So right now, when you take the photo, your device will capture like short video for like 2 or 3 seconds before taking this video, and it will look like animated GIF. When you click on this icon, you can find some filters. As you can see, they changing the color and the temperature on our photos. When you click on the settings icon, you can find other options, like for example, swipe shutter button to take the burst shot or create the GIF. And it works like that. You have to swipe and hold this shutter button. So it works like the volume buttons. When you go back to the settings, we can find other options, like for example the shuttering methods. So we can just add the floating shutter button, and also we can take the photos while using our palm. So let me show you how it works. You can switch to the selfie camera, you can show the palm of your hand. Looks like okay, right now it's working. So when your palm is detected, you will find this yellow frame around your palm and the photo will be taken. But there's also this second option with this floating shutter button. So as you know, the screen is very big on this device, and when you sometimes cannot reach this shutter, you can add it wherever you want and use this one. To get it back, just drag to this main shutter, and to turn it on, just swipe up like that. You can find here also other modes like the portrait mode, the video mode. There's also, of course, the Pro mode, Pro video mode, the single take. The single take is a very useful option because you can just like take the photo, click on the shutter, and right now your device is recording like 8 seconds video, and from this video it will create the different modes. So like the time lapse, hyperlapse, slow motion, and other stuff. Take a look. It is actually create like 5 different modes, right now 7, so we can also wait for a few seconds for the post-production, then swipe up and take a look. It's like the filter picture, there's like crop shot, boomerang clip, fast forward clip. That's the normal photo, that's highlighted video, and that's the original one. Okay, and if you are taking like photos with your device, there will be definitely useful to use the Pro mode, where you can adjust parameters like ISO level, exposure compensation, white balance. You can also set the matrix metering. So yeah, that's all for this device. That's the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and the camera tips and tricks. Hope you like it.